Oh, not that idiot again. Oh. Now, James, I want you to take a good strain from Bakerstown to where I was left. Good strain? A good strain? You shall do as I say. Got it? Fine. Good strain. A good strain. A good strain. Disgusting. Disgusting. If there's any other place the engines hate going more than the iron ones on the Big Cock Island, that would be the Bakerstown diesel works. They are filled to the brim with worthless, disgusting, ugly pieces of trash called diesels. And as you know, the Steamies are very racist and they hate diesels. Sadly, James had to go to the diesel works to get his train. James was so scared that he ran away from the diesel works as fast as he could. He was going so fast that the signal activated him onto an old branch line. The truck saw their chance and decided to make James a road. On! James Race Massacre! Onto the old branch. Disaster lay ahead. James lay dazed and surprised in a field. Once again, a field full of cows. Moo! His driver, who had jumped right before the crash, unlike the fireman who died, was feeling James all over, even his cock. Oh, Mr. Harvey, you've came to save us. My name isn't Harvey, it's Steve Harvey, the chin engine. Steve Harvey, the chin engine, quickly saved the trucks. Not the trucks. He said frog, and he came to save James. Let's go. It was night when they arrived. Thank you, Steve Harvey, the chin engine. No problem. James sat in the shade thinking on how it could be a better engine. Ding 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 ding.
Oi, what the fuck? Where are you taking me, Stepney? No, come back here. No.